Follow along with us as we do some sightseeing in and around Los Angeles.
It's a blessed adventure. It's a blessed adventure.
Just showing you a little sneak peek of the Beverly Hills Hotel. See how the rich and famous live. So, not a whole lot that you can really see, but for what you can see, looks like a pretty nice place. This is outdoor patio. You can see, looks like a tennis courts or something over there, basketball courts, and other things there. Just a little courtyard area there. And then the street levels out further. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Beautiful chandelier that leads down towards the crystal ballroom. So, just a quick look. Yes. Oh. From here, we left the hotel and headed down to Rodeo Drive. We also headed up to Griffin Park, which is the home of the Griffin Observatory, and it's also a place where you can get a look at the infamous Hollywood sign that goes over top of Hollywood Hills. Molly.
That's the Molly.
That's the Molly delivering. If you can see it through the. It's got lights going around unless somebody's supposed to get there and. Okay, we drove through Los Angeles and we're making a stop. They said you should come to the last bookstore. So it's supposed to have unusual things with books. So we're going to check it out. Hello. So we will show you some of it. I have to be very quiet.
Yeah, the desk.
Oh, look at the desk. It's made out of books. You don't find this in too many libraries anymore or bookstores, but it's coming back now, so you might. Look at all these vinyls. Look over there. You have a way to play these. Wow. They even have a rare book collection you can buy behind locked doors.
So this is totally cool. They made it a nice books area inside an old safe. This is cool.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
That is sharp.
You can even sit down and read a book.
Done very nicely.
Looks like, oh, it's encyclopedias. Old encyclopedias. Wow, that is cool.
Federal tax reports and stuff too.
And there's the safe doors.
Wow.
Wow,
Really cool.
that is really neat. So it also has a second floor, and this is what's on the steps. So we're gonna go up and see what's up there. I think some more fun stuff. And the first thing upstairs. It's like it's coming out of the typewriter. A bunch of Star Wars and Star Trek. So here's the tunnel they talked about.
Oh, there's another vault up here too. It's the upstairs vault.
So there's the tunnel. It's made out of books. That is so cool. So this is the Bible section. Everything about the Bible. With everything else they have in here, I'm glad they got this section too.
I think it might just be starting this section right here.
And they have a section where they've got them books by colors. That is pretty neat. These are about the presidents, all books right here.
There you go.
You want me to take a picture of you three?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Thank you.
It'll be them two and then me by myself. So.
Then they have a neat, Karen, look through here, David. I'll show it from this side. They have a window out of books.
So neat.
All the vintage cameras, Instagram. And if you want to purchase a stickers or other things, you can purchase them out of the vending machine. So this is a little store and gallery.
The last bookstore is an awesome place to visit, so if you get a chance, stop in. We stopped here in Venice for a little Chick-fil-A, and this is the first only outdoor seating Chick-fil-A we've ever seen. So we're here on the patio. They turned on the heaters, but you place your order up here at the building. Oh, let me get my hand out the way. At the building there. And this place has been wrapped in cars. This is probably the lightest car traffic so far since we've been here, as those few little cars you see right over there. But this place has been wrapped. But all outdoor seating, Chick-fil-A, Venice, California. Food was good. So we hope you enjoyed following us around as we checked out a few things around the Los Angeles area in Beverly Hills, up at the Hollywood Hills side, and then our final stop here in Venice. If you haven't subscribed, push that subscribe button so you can follow along on our adventures. Thank you for following along. Appreciate you watching. Have a blessed day, and thank you from Noel's Blessed Adventures.